Hey there. Welcome to what we call the Candy Store House. This was built as a general store in 1912. It's on the Registry of Historic Properties, and we bought it, have redone it, and it has the theme as a vacation rental of a candy store. So come on in and see what's in store. So this is what we would call a great room. We wanted to have a fireplace, so this was added. We designed this with a wood piece up there that I found at the Raleigh flea market. We knew that we would have a television and a fireplace, and this is pressed tin that you can buy on Amazon, and it cuts pretty easily. Worked out well. We also have a pretty good sized kitchen here with penny tile, which resembles candy. Little candies here, so I like doing that. You'll see in the house items that represent candy, nostalgia, and uniqueness. I found little doorknobs here for the cabinets that were pink. I think I bought all that they had, because it's not the most popular now. We were able to get items that are nostalgic. A brand new sink here, and this came from Lowe's. Over here we have a old antique sewing machine that can be used as a desk. Put a night light on it there. This is a painting that was done by my friend Linda Chambers, and I just love it. It's so representative and so colorful of the house. The half bath here, a great piece here to put different items. And I couldn't find anything nostalgic or candy-like, but I did find this great material that has some really cool ladies on it, so I made these drapes. Okay, this is what I think is the most creative piece in the house. I'm going to take these notes down. The folks that were working on the house brought me these scraps of wood, and they said, "This won't work anyplace, should we just put this in the burn pile?" I said, "Absolutely not. I'll create something with it." So I figured out the pattern that I wanted here with these pieces of wood. These are the original colors also, the original paint. And then I did the clock here with all of the little miniatures of candy. So I love them. And I guess those are pixie sticks. Remember those? So we get a lot of comments on this clock. I love it. This wall just had to be filled in, so I said, let's put the wood up here, frame it, and we'll put candles and different things on this. You never know what you're going to find in stores. This was at World Market, and I said, this is perfect. It's not candy, but it's so close. It has candy on top of the cupcakes. Outside, we have a little porch here. The nostalgic pieces would be the cornices that were cut. I found someone at the flea market who did that woodwork and asked him to make me quite a few of them. So we put those up there when this was rebuilt. And you never know what you're going to find, even like little clips like this, they're supposed to be clothespins. So behind here is the washer and dryer, and I just made a sign sticking those pins on it. Let's go back to the master bedroom, which is the only bedroom other than this trundle bed that two people can sleep on, the two mattresses. This is the master bedroom. This piece again came from the Raleigh flea market. I painted it with a black paint that has speckles in it, and added these sides to it because it wasn't nearly big enough for the king-size bed. You can just see the nostalgia in here, these lights. Over on the corner over here, people who are staying here can have a fan on them, or we have like an antique stove down here to add a little extra heat. All right, and ending the tour, the last place, and excuse my voice, it's allergy season, is our great little bathroom here, which we love. The shower is really pretty cool with the different tiles. I found some of these metallic tiles but didn't have enough, so we kind of designed how those would work. This was originally at the house. This place was like an apartment or a small house rental, and we had this refinished, this old sink, and this is our baby that we love, the clawfoot bathtub. We didn't realize that there was a clawfoot bathtub underneath the house. The floor had rotted so much that the tub fell through the floor, and they just covered it with more wood, and and it sat under there I don't know how long. It was rusty, and the guys who were working on the house yelled to me, "Hey, there's a bathtub under here, do you want it?" And I said absolutely. Took 4 men to pull it up, to get it up, and I got it redone, the enamel, and painted the outside. So that is about everything. I'll be doing some more videos about the candy store house, especially how we bought it, how little we paid, how we gutted a lot of it, and what it's worth now, and how it works as a vacation rental. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.